Opening my parcel from TikTok shop at M European style bedroom. Multifunctional dressing table with mirror LED light.
Lapit na Jo, lapit na. Tapos yan. Hello mga ka-shobi, and there you go. We're done assembling this vanity dresser. Like, it took us 6 hours to assemble this. So it's worth it naman the time because as you can see, it's super cute and it's really look elegant. But overall guys, na-impress ako dito kasi it's looking so social. Yeah, elegant. Because this mirror here has a light. So parang may LED light na siya. So it's like ring light with mirror. So in order for you to turn on the light, you just have to press this one. Ito. Ayan. Turn on. Where is the light? Wait. So turn on this one. Press this one, guys. Yan. This is the first light, like pinaka light yeah, and also there is a medium light and the heavy light. Where's the heavy light? Here. Ayan. So perfect to perfect na siya if you're gonna do your makeup here, doing your skincare routine. So it's perfect. So that's it, guys. And after that, pagtapos mo na siyang gamitin, you just press this again to off the light. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Babush. Nagtuturn on siya. May sarili siyang buhay. Da. Oh, see?